So you want to learn what it really takes to become an expert in affiliate marketing? Hey guys, this is Michael Granados from Viral Home Based Pursuits. And in this video, I'm just going to go ahead and show you the 5 things that you need to know to become an expert in affiliate marketing. Okay, when I say affiliate marketing, what do I mean becoming the expert in it? Do I mean helping other people become an affiliate? Or do I mean building my own specific interest in a field? This can be both. I started in the health and wellness space. I started helping people out with back pain. I became very knowledgeable in this subject, and I started helping many people overcome their pain problems, right? And so I led into it with that. I first started my first business with that. Spent a lot of time working on it. I had previous knowledge, which brings me to my number one tip is start with something you know, okay? Something that you have already some knowledge in. Maybe you're not 110% passionate about it, but you have somewhat of an interest, maybe a hobby in it, and you can roll with it, right? Because what I'm saying right now is going to become very important at the end of the video with what I'm going to share to you, which is passion and profits. So start with something you know. Start with something that you've had experiences with yourself that you can go ahead and talk to other people about and share that message across so that can resonate with them even better. That's why I started within the lower back pain niche. I started helping people who had pain in that department, and I focused solely on that. You know, me playing sports for a while, I had my own back pains. I had, been playing soccer for a while, a Division I athlete, and doing things like that. And so I had some knowledge in it already, and I had already known things previously. So I thought I'd go into that and help other people out. So that's number one. Number two being think about what you have gone through yourself to overcome. Think about where you are right now. How did you get to where you are now? And if it weren't for doing something, you wouldn't be here, right? If it wasn't for you learning this skill, if it wasn't for you learning and applying that kind of knowledge, you wouldn't be where you are. So for me, if it was, example, if I was doing something around soccer, I could go ahead and talk about that and become more of an expert in it because I, put in my 10,000 hours plus into that field. So I can come onto the online space, into affiliate marketing, and spread that message across to people, right? So I can be in front of so many people and I can help them out understand how to kick a soccer ball better, how to pass the ball, how to use your teammates instead of being an individual player at times, right? And vice versa. So I can go and spread that message across. And I'm going to go ahead and help you out at the end of the video how to start with that and how to move your way up, because I started in a place and then I built my way forward moving with it. Really just number three being believe in yourself, okay? And anything that you're doing right now, offline, right? You're not on, if you're not online and you're doing stuff in your own physical world, do you believe in what you do? Do you believe in your job and what you're doing? Do you believe in your extracurricular activities, your recreational activities? Do you believe in any of what you're doing? Like for me, when I went to school, I was very good at math. So I started focusing on the math side of things. So I became knowledgeable in that and I started helping other people out with that. And that's kind of where, the whole affiliate marketing and going into the internet marketing space came in. When I was able to figure out that I had this knowledge that I can help people in. And also for the fact being that maybe you've already heard my story, but I was very underappreciated, very undervalued, underpaid, making minimum wage at a job that should be paying me so much more, right? And I thought I'd be getting a promotion, but the supervisor I thought would retire soon never happened. I was being pushed physically with physical things and forklifting, stuff like that, and data entry work, analytic stuff, and not being paid enough. Finishing 3+ years of school to do this, and just trying to do it to really just build up more stability at a job and all that, and loans to pay in the back of my mind. So going there on out, you just gotta, I just said, okay, I'm going to go ahead and get on and help people understand in a space that I have more knowledge in that they don't. Because there's people out there that don't have the knowledge, and they need that, and you're the bridge to help them out, right? They have problems, and you're the person who's going to solve those problems. Okay. Um, Another one that you will want to have, and this is one that I have learned, I had to learn, was getting testimonials and social proof. Uh, this is nowadays much more important than it maybe was 5-6 years ago when people were starting off with affiliate marketing. Um, the reason I say that is because people want to know that you are who you say you are, or you're credible in what you're trying to help, show, teach people. And one way of doing that, and probably the best way, is doing it with testimonials and social proof. So you want to be able to help people out. If you can get testimonials from them, from family, is a fast way to do it. With friends, you can do it and put it up there, and that'll really help you out. I say family and friends is number one, the best way to go. Two being those people that you help out already on the online space. Maybe it's within a community, and I'll get into that in a little bit, how you can actually get more testimonials, social proof much more faster. But those come hand in hand in whatever it is you're doing, whether you're helping people out outside of affiliate marketing, like me helping people in the health and wellness space, or in technology and outdoors and stuff like that. It always is something you need. Number 5 being your content is your king, okay? You want to make sure that you have content that you're sharing with people, because your content is what makes you unique. Your content is what's going to help you gain more credibility. Your content is going to be what helps you spread your message across much more easier, okay? Content, what do I mean by that? It can be anything within blogging. It could be YouTube videos. It can be I wouldn't want to say social media, because so many people spend their time on social media and it's not productive. You shouldn't spend at least 15 minutes on social media per day and produce content outside of that. A podcast is another example of a prime example of it. So those are ways of doing it. And, you're probably thinking, how do I know how to select my niche? So most people, when I talk about niching, I talk about niching down. I mean, going into a market, for example, there's 3 huge marketplaces. There's the health and wellness, relationships, make money online, affiliate marketing, right? Finance, and stuff like that. And so you look at those 3 big core markets, and you want to get even sub-niche. So sub-niche of health and wellness could be nutrition. And then your market would be after that, nutrition for entrepreneurs, nutrition for people with back pain. That's your niche. That's what you want to get into. Make money online, affiliate marketing for beginners, relationships, dating for men 45 and over, something like that, right? So that's being niche down, so you can have an audience that's going to listen to you, and you can get your message across to them much more, and your offer and your products are going to be much more easier to convert, okay? Another example for me, I moved in from the health and wellness into teaching people and showing people how to make money with affiliate marketing. That's the MMO niche, to make money online. So after I built my credibility in one, I moved out to the other one. And then I was able to help people understand what affiliate marketing is. And that's one that I've become more passionate about. Started in health and wellness, and I still enjoy that a lot, and I still work on it every day. But then I also went into affiliate marketing, helping people start their own home-based business with it. And so I've been able to build these like Amazon niche websites with and without a blog. Started with a blog. That's where I believe everybody should begin. And then I learned how to get into the affiliate marketing space over the time being, okay? After I mastered one, moved into another one. I learned how to sell physical products to digital information products. And in the description also below, I'm going to have more information on how you can do all this. So at any time, you can go ahead and check below. And actually, there's a platform. There's 2 platforms that I'm going to reveal to you how I started my journey. And I'll have my free affiliate marketing course in there too that will show you the journey across. I started with a couple of platforms to learn how to do this. There will be a free book underneath here too. So make sure you get that free book that will teach you how to become an expert in your niche. This is what I have right now. I'll probably even show you a video. I believe I have another YouTube video of it. But really, it just teaches you everything about how to become an expert in your niche. It's the best like business book out there. It's rated one of the highest ones out there. I recommend you get this. It's really going to help you find your audience, help you find your voice, send your message across, how to become an attractive character, an attractive leader, and how to do all these things, how to select your market, and so forth. It's really the best one out there. But when I'm talking about producing content out there, how did I get started, right? You want to know how did I become the expert all of a sudden, right? I started within a platform called Wealthy Affiliates, and that's where I was able to get affiliate marketing training on how to set up my posts that rank inside of Google, right? I'm ranking posts in Google by what's called search engine optimization, which is SEO in short. You're ranking your posts in Google, and people are finding you there, and they're coming to your articles, and they're reading from you. Another way of doing it is within YouTube. They also teach that too. Teach you how to build your website, your WordPress blog, and all that, and have that up and running. The other one I moved into later on was a platform called ClickFunnels. So I've built Amazon niche websites, and then I moved into ClickFunnels, physical products. And then with ClickFunnels, it's kind of like a landing page software service. And they have like digital information products, and that's how I learned how to do like the more reoccurring income model. So I'm going to have more of that in the description below. Again, there's that free book that I recommend you pick up. I wish I would have picked this up before kind of started affiliate marketing, but nonetheless, it was great to have in part of the journey of mine. So those are the 5 ways. Make sure that you are starting with something that you are confident about. Maybe you're not 100% passionate about it, but you want to get into it more. Pick a passion, interest, even a hobby can work, and go into it. Choose something that you are interested in and that's going to have profits in it as well. I know that you might have a passion, but it might not make you any money. So research is important. And then with Wealthy Affiliate, they teach you more about that as well. Start with something that you have gone through. It helps out. Like if I've gone through soccer, I want to help somebody understand how to do soccer, play soccer better. I can build a website around that, be an expert in that niche, helping people in affiliate marketing, how to do things like that. You can also do that. Believe in yourself is the most important part. People follow people who are confident in themselves, who have that authority, who are certain about things. Certainty is the biggest factor. Make sure you're niching down health and wellness, nutrition for back pain, for people with back pain, health and wellness, lower back pain for people who are trying to get back into the workforce. That's what I was focusing on. Testimonial, social proof are very important. You'll learn that along the way, so don't worry about that from the very beginning. Number 5 being your content. Your content is very important. So make sure you're out there. You're always publishing every day. And I teach this stuff too in my affiliate marketing course. It's also within my Facebook group if you want to go ahead and join all that. So that's all I want to leave you with. I hope you got a lot of good information from this, and that you will take this with you if you haven't started, and start your journey with it, because you have a message that you can tell people, and people are waiting for that message. All right. So that's it. I'll go ahead and talk to you guys another time. Make sure you leave me a comment if you have any comments, questions, or concerns. Thanks.